Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for the Group Expand by Connectivity tool presented by Engineering Tools. I'm Jacob Brady. Let's dive right in. This script grows an active group by connectivity to include the elements directly surrounding the group's current elements. To use this script, you will need an active group with at least one element. This is a model for parts of a satellite. You can import the bulk deck for this file by going to the Engineering Tools website, looking under Help, and clicking on Example Model Library. We will first create a group for this box section here, and then we'll use the Group Expand by Connectivity tool to grow this group. To create a new group, right-click on the Group section of the tree and select New Group. We will call this group Body. I'll first make sure that my new group is still active, which it is. You can tell that this group is active because it appears bolded in the tree. If it's not active, you can activate it by double-clicking on it in the tree. Next, I'll go up to the Group tab, go down to the Element option, and select ID. This will allow us to select an element with which we can start our group. I'll select one of these elements in the middle of the part. I could select any element on this part, but I'm choosing this one because it's pretty clearly part of this body section. At this point, the only thing in our new group is that single element that I just selected. To include the surrounding elements, I'll go into the Engineering Tools section of my ribbon, select Model Organization, and select Group Expand by Connectivity. Since my new group is still active, it should go ahead and grow it. When the script is finished, you will see End Script written to the message window here. Using Ctrl-G, we can regenerate our view window to see how this tool grew our group. As you can see, the group now includes the elements and nodes surrounding the starting point. We can run this tool again and watch the group expand another time. If you run the tool twice within 15 seconds, it gives you this dialog box where you can specify how many times you wish to run the tool. This can be especially helpful for larger groups. For this example, I'll type 2 and we can watch the tool run twice. If you want to continue growing the group until it hits a fastener, check out the Group Grow No Fasteners help page of the Engineering Tools website. The Group Grow No Fasteners tool is similar to the Group Expand by Connectivity tool, but instead of expanding one step at a time, it will continue growing the group until a fastener is reached. That is it for the Group Expand by Connectivity tutorial presented by Engineering Tools. Thank you for watching.